What's up, YouTube? Joey here. Me and my dad are we're gonna check out something that's kind of creepy. You see, Dad discovered when he was walking Geo, my dog. Shout out to my dog and my dad. That there was some noises, something battery powered, most likely.
Hopefully.
Otherwise, it might be witchcraft. But we're gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna catch it on camera to the whole world.
Okay. You get one.
So, anyways, here we are.
Turn it around.
This is the house. I see someone.
There's nothing. It's just garbage.
It's starting to glitch.
No.
The screen.
It's the noise from the trash pile. Get close. There's something in the upstairs window.
Well, that was creepy. Did y'all hear the noise? Comment down below if you heard the noise. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. We're back from the trip, but still, I hope you have a great day.
Hoarders finally